They're still hanging out. They're going to give us some more music. But we want to help you out a little bit. Okay? It's very important stuff. You're thinking about what to get your loved one, friend, pet. I don't know. We're going to hook you up with a really cool idea for just making something, okay? We're going to have breakfast in bed, whatever it is. We're going to be doing a parfait because we're not allowed to cook because we almost burned the place down a couple weeks ago.
That one time.
So we're just going to do a very simple parfait. Okay? First thing you have to do is you have to garnish your strawberries. You have to make the strawberries very special. Oh yeah? It's supposed to be hearts, okay? As you can see, I don't know if you can see here. All you do, it's very simple online. Then when you do it, they turn into V's, but then you can be like, it's a V for Valentine's Day. Okay, so Alexa, I'm going to have you.
Put me to work.
You want to find a pointy one, because you don't find a pointy one, it doesn't have the same heart. So I want you to we're going to cut the top off. What I'm going to do is just cut a little tiny V, like a little triangle right there.
Perfect.
And then we're going to do the rest from there. Okay. Awesome.
Okay.
Parfaits are simple. They're healthy-ish, but they also don't have to be. You could have a little fun with them, so you can make them almost like a dessert. We went indulged a little bit with the chocolate. Okay, so the base of most parfaits, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
You did a decent job. You did a decent job. So the basis of most parfaits, yogurt. You can get plain yogurt or strawberry yogurt. We chose to get strawberry yogurt. I have never made a parfait in my life.
It goes with the theme. Pink for Valentine's Day.
Have you made a parfait before in your life?
I haven't. You know, I've eaten a lot of parfaits. I've never made one.
So
have you made one?
Never. No. Never. So this
we
is
have the expert in the house. Love
Why
that.
are you laughing? Is this wrong already, Dion? No. Don't criticize. Oh, God, a mess.
Are you making these for your loved ones?
You can do this with your loved one and go ghost and have them do the arms and you just kind of rest back. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
So I want you to grab your glass and I want you to start filling your glass with yogurt. Now, this is a very deep glass.
I like the use of the wine glasses for this.
It's a hard glass to make a parfait in, and all you're doing is just layering and layering and layering. So you can get any type of jam you want. We're going with a strawberry theme, obviously. So we got a strawberry jam here, as you can see. A very elegant. This is the priciest jam in all of Gristedes.
I was going to say, where did you go?
Don't scrunch your eyebrows. This is a delicious jam.
Gristedes.
Yeah, so we have a strawberry jam, and you just kind of layer. It depends on what your person likes. This is going to be so horrible looking.
No,
this is going to be so bad looking.
All right, you tell me what to do. I'll do.
You scoop some in there.
Yeah.
You want to do layer after layer, so it's like a lasagna of love.
Okay. Now, has Ginger made this for you?
No, I don't eat parfaits. We're doing this for people that like. I know parfaits are very popular.
Yeah.
And there's also
they're healthy. They're pretty easy.
Here's the deal.
And they can look fancy.
I needed something to do in 5 minutes, so we gathered this ridiculous recipe together.
I love this. I love this.
Okay, then you get granola. You can get any type of granola you want. You got plain granola. We got chocolate granola because it's delicious.
Of course.
And
well, it goes with strawberries for Valentine's Day too.
Yes, of course.
You know, the chocolate.
So then I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna do
yours.
This, okay?
Looks like your kids did it.
That's so insulting to my children. Yeah, here, have some granola here.
Okay.
Oh, that was good.
See,
you did a good job. You did a good job. And then, so add your granola, and then you can add. We got some mini chocolate chips here. Again, this is up to you, your discretion. You do whatever you want to do on this parfait. Whatever you can make it extremely healthy. You can chia pudding. You can do anything. Can I sprinkle some mini chocolate chips?
Are you going to mess this up?
Yes.
Oh boy.
Very delicately. Okay. So you got one layer of each in here. You can stop there, or you can keep going. You can keep going with the layers. But this looks like a good.
I really do love the strawberries and chocolate together because that's perfect. Like you're not doing the chocolate covered strawberries.
I knew you would.
Breakfast taste.
I listen.
Thank you, Ben.
And
Someone
then
listens.
You have your heart strawberries here. I'll let you kind of do.
Okay.
This is what we got from our heart strawberry. Look, from a distance, they look like hearts.
They look like you're giving yourself not enough credit
but
here.
But then you get close and they're V's. But again, also good for Valentine's Day right there.
There
you can put it right there. And there you have yourself. Look at that. You didn't have to spend that much money. You get breakfast.
Perfect.
Your lover says, thank you for caring about me. I cut strawberries here. You can fill these up with wine and just call it a day. Look at this. We have a beautiful.
They go from morning to evening, you know. Oh, thank you.
Do you have a side preference? I didn't even ask.
I'll take this one, sure.
Chris, great job on the spreading of the flower petals.
This is more romantic than my honeymoon.
I didn't even get a spoon. I was just gonna go drink it. Hold on.
Okay.
Stay there. I'll be back.
I'll wait for you.
This is how you ghost your date, by the way. You just say you're going for a spoon.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
Ben. Thank you.
I love what life would be